Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P16F5, indicates a high voltage condition in the starter cut relay 1 control circuit. This issue primarily affects the starter cut relay, which plays a crucial role in preventing the engine from starting under certain conditions. It is located within the auxiliary underhood fuse and relay box. The relay itself is essential for ensuring that the starter motor receives the correct signals from the powertrain control module, PCM, to operate efficiently. High voltage in this circuit can lead to unintended behaviors, such as the engine failing to start or starting when it shouldn't. This code often requires a systematic troubleshooting approach to identify the underlying cause and ensure proper vehicle operation. The starter cut relay is vital for controlling the power to the starter motor. It serves to cut off the starter circuit during various operational states, especially to prevent ignition when not required. In the Honda Pilot, it is situated inside the auxiliary underhood fuse and relay box. The powertrain control module, or PCM, interacts with this relay to regulate the engine's starting operations. If this relay fails, it can produce a high voltage reading, leading to the DTC P16F5 being set. Furthermore, assessing this relay's functionality is crucial to determine if it's the source of the high voltage condition. There are several possible causes for the DTC P16F5. First, a faulty starter cut relay can directly result in high voltage being detected in the control circuit. If the relay does not operate correctly, it could lead to abnormal electrical behavior. Second, a shorted wire in the STRLY1 line can create an unintended path for current, causing elevated voltage readings. Lastly, issues with the powertrain control module, PCM, itself can cause erroneous voltage signals, leading to false trouble codes. Each of these potential problems should be assessed sequentially for an accurate diagnosis. The symptoms associated with DTC P16F5 can vary, but typically include the engine failing to start altogether. This might occur due to the starter circuit being improperly activated. Additionally, drivers may experience intermittent starting issues, where the engine starts unpredictably, which can be frustrating. Furthermore, vehicle dashboard warning lights may illuminate, indicating an underlying electrical problem. Recognizing these symptoms is essential for diagnosing the root cause of the DTC and ensuring the vehicle's reliability. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P16F5 requires the technician to turn the vehicle to the on mode. This initializes various electrical systems and allows for the diagnostic tools to communicate with the vehicle's onboard computer. Following this, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, should be used to clear any existing codes. This aids in establishing a clean slate for diagnosis. After clearing the DTC, the technician should attempt to start the engine. Monitoring for any pending or confirmed DTCs after this step will help determine if the issue is persistent or intermittent. In this step, the vehicle should be turned to the off position to ensure safety while working with the electrical components. The next action involves removing the starter cut relay from its location in the auxiliary underhood fuse and relay box. This is important, as testing the relay's functionality requires it to be isolated from the circuit. Once removed, testing the starter cut relay will reveal whether it is operational. If the relay passes the test, the technician can proceed to the next step. If not, replacement of the starter cut relay is warranted. This troubleshooting step involves jumping the SCS service check summary line using the HDS. This prepares the vehicle for specific diagnostic tests and should be conducted while waiting for over 1 minute. After this, the technician must disconnect the PCM connector A, which has 51 pins, This is critical because it isolates the powertrain control module from the circuit to accurately measure voltage conditions. Once disconnected, the technician should turn the vehicle to the on mode and measure the voltage between specified test points. This measurement is crucial for determining if there's an excessive voltage present, which would indicate a short to power condition in the STR-LY1 wire. After repair actions related to DTC P16F5 are completed, it is essential to validate that all repairs were conducted correctly. The technician should recheck the vehicle for any DTCs using the HDS. This follow-up step ensures that the changes made are effective and that the P16F5 DTC is no longer present. In addition to checking error codes, it is also important to test the starting system comprehensively, ensuring that the vehicle starts reliably and exhibits no further symptoms will confirm that the repair was successful. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding future issues related to the DTC P16F5. Regular inspections of the starter cut relay can help to identify problems before they worsen. It is also advisable to check all related electrical connections for signs of wear or damage frequently. Ensuring these connections are secure and free of corrosion can prevent operational failures. Lastly, reviewing authorized service data relevant to the DTCs can provide additional insights and help anticipate potential failures. A proactive approach to maintenance leads to a more reliable vehicle and enhanced driver confidence. In summary, diagnosing and troubleshooting DTC P16F5 requires a systematic approach to identify issues with the starter cut relay and its circuits effectively. Paying close attention to the symptoms presented can provide vital clues as to the underlying problems, which may save time during repairs. Furthermore, the importance of verifying repairs cannot be understated. Ensuring that the DTC is cleared and that the vehicle starts reliably is essential for customer satisfaction and vehicle safety. Following these guidelines can lead to successful troubleshooting and enhanced vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.